So you're just gonna stick your USB into the USB port at the back of your KORG Pa700. I'm sure this will work for every other KORG piano. This is Pa700 Professional Arranger. So be sure the firmware you have got is particularly for your version of KORG piano. So what you should do, if you haven't got the firmware, I will drop a link below where you can search for your version of KORG Pa700 or 600 or whichever KORG piano you have got. Like for this, check what yours is properly before you start this process. So to turn on or to start the process begins with turning on your KORG piano. First, go to where you have on your left hand side here, where you have the intro one, that button there. You need to press down that button, hold it down, and then you hit the on button. So soon as you do that, the piano comes up in system update mode. So you should see the system update mode. Wait for it to boot. Now, this is a very sensitive part. Don't ignore this, please. Just do the calibration. See where you have the plus sign there in red. Just follow the calibration. Please do it properly so you don't have any issue. The calibration is completed. Please select a PKG file to be installed. Okay, so where is your PKG file? Mine is in the USB stick that I have already inserted. So go ahead towards your left where you have the disk. You hit the disk and then hit the USB. Then search for the location where you have saved the firmware. So I have the firmware saved in the KORG folder there. So I've selected the folder and then I'll hit open. Again, I can't see it. I still have to go further into the folder KORG. Hit open. Now, yep, I have KORG Pa700. I'm sure that's the one. I have selected KORG Pa700 and then I hit open again. New KORG operating system. So that's what I'm after. That's the KORG operating system. So I have version 1.5 here, which is the latest one for now. I downloaded this from KORG website. So I will drop a link below in the description. So hit on the link and then you can search for your own version of KORG PA or the version of KORG you are using. So I've selected this PA operating